CEO.CA, the leading community for investors in junior resource and venture stocks. My name is Amrit Gill, and today we're joined by Ernest Mast, President and CEO of Dor Copper. Welcome to the show.
Pleasure to be here.
So can you remind us of what Dor Copper aims to achieve in its Quebec mining camp?
We're looking to restart the Chibougamau mining camp, which operated for approximately 50 years before shutting down in 2008. We have a series of underground copper gold deposits, and we have a past producing mill and tailings facility. And so we're looking to put it all together and get it restarted.
And your latest flotation test work, some results are out. Tell us a little bit about the outcome.
The outcome was excellent. We did some flotation recovery work on a pre-concentrate from the Corner Bay deposit. The results were better than what we had in our preliminary economic assessment. We had copper recoveries between 96.8% and 98.2%, with concentrate copper grades between 27% and 29.6%.
And Ernest, for our viewers, can you explain what a locked cycle test is?
A locked cycle test is a type of laboratory test where we try and simulate the actual conditions you would get in an industrial facility. So it includes recycle of materials.
And how do the results that you shared impact your project?
The results that we had from the flotation test will actually improve the economics of our project. Because we have a higher concentrate grade, the shipping costs and the treatment charges on the concentrate will be less. And because we had higher copper recoveries, we'll have greater production.
And what are the next steps for the metallurgical tests?
Next steps on metallurgical testing is that we'll take some of the products from this test work and do some environmental testing on those, principally the tailings. We'll also do some filtration tests on the tailing sample. Plus, we will, in the future, repeat these tests with material from the Devlin deposit.
Yeah, tons going on for you and your company. Is there anything else that you'd like to add?
Another outcome of these tests is that we confirm the quality of the concentrate that we would produce. When we talk about concentrate quality, you look at the impurity elements in the concentrate, and the element levels we had were extremely low. These are elements such as arsenic, antimony, bismuth, cadmium, and mercury. These are elements that the smelters that process the concentrate don't necessarily like to see in the concentrate, and our levels were extremely low. That's going to make our concentrate product very desired in the downstream market.
And Ernest, can you comment on the grind size used in the flotation test work?
We actually did the flotation test work with two grind sizes. The first grind size is known as the primary grind size, and we used 140 microns for that primary grind size, which is relatively coarse, which has some benefits in terms of the energy consumption that we're going to have in the process, and also the subsequent filtration of the tailings. And then in the second part of the test, we take the primary concentrate and we upgrade it in what's known as a cleaning step. And in that, we used a grind size of 37 microns, which is finer. However, all of those grind sizes are pretty standard, making the results of these tests supporting the fact that our flotation system for our project won't be that complex.
You reported excellent concentrate grades and recoveries from your flotation test work. How do these compare to the results from the PEA, and what is the impact?
The test results that we just received were in fact better than the results that we used in the preliminary economic assessment, or PEA. We had a higher concentrate grade, which means higher copper content in the concentrate, so less treatment charges and less shipping costs. And we also had higher recovery, which means we're going to have greater copper production over the life of the mine than we originally anticipated. In addition, gold and silver recoveries were the same or better than what we had in the PEA. So all around, the results from this flotation test work were very positive.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Ernest.
My pleasure to be on CEO.CA, and if the viewers have any questions, you can reach out to me directly via ernest.mast@dorecopper.com. Thank you very much.